Sandra, and today I want to do my February giveaway. So if you're not familiar with my giveaways, every month I give product away. A lot of times it's Maniology, sometimes it's not, just depends on whatever I decide I'm going to buy. And I did stock up on my supply this time, so I have some new plates to show you. And it just so happens that the ones I'm giving away today are both Maniology plates. Now, just the rules of the giveaway is that you, once you have to enter, all you have to do is put enter me in the comments, and you must be a subscriber. And you also have to get your enter me in sometime before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, February 27th. And that's a Friday, and I usually will pick the winner on, and it could range anywhere from Friday to Monday. And then obviously I make a video and that person wins. So get your entries in. Once I pick a winner, that person just needs to email me their address, mailing address, and I will mail the products out. So before we get started in these, what I'm giving away, I do have to say that if you do order anything from Maniology, please use my discount code. It's NS10. It gives you 10% off. It gives me a little bit of money so that I can continue my giveaways. All right, so let's see what I'm giving away this time. All right, so since I got new plates, I still have Christmas and I still have Halloween. So we're gonna get off Christmas and Halloween for a little bit, and we're gonna go into Easter. So I have this cute little Easter plate. I think it's adorable. It's of course got bunnies on it and some carrots and some really cute full nail designs. It's gonna be great for Easter. So at least it's something you can use in the near future. So that's number one, and that is M465. Maniology M465. All right, and the second plate I'm going to give away is actually the little ducky plate. I think I showed you this when I had gotten a Maniology haul. And this is M588. And this has ducks all over it. Thought it was adorable. Got a bunch of full nail designs as well. I love this one with the duck's big face on here. And then we've got some frames in here so you can frame them in. We've even got some that are solid, so that way you would not have to reverse paint them. So there you go. Oh, and it looks like they're layers. So this would be a layer, this would be a layer, this would be a layer, and this would be a layer, which would be extremely convenient. So there you have it. Those are the two plates I'm giving away. And congratulations to January's winner. And I just want to say to January's winner that you turned in your name saying you had won just in time, because I was actually going to go into the February giveaway. And once I do that, whoever won, if they didn't contact me by then, would have forfeited their gifts, their winnings to the next month. So congratulations to January's winner. Glad that your giveaway was collected, and I will pop that in the mail probably Monday. So remember, these are for February's giveaway, and your enter me is due on February 27th by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.